If you like garlic, then you're in the right place today. And why is that, Ma?
Today we're doing mixed meat with garlic sauce.
Yes, also known as combination meat, garlic sauce, if you're in the States, that is. And UK, we'll sometimes call this a mixed meat special with garlic sauce. We're gonna be getting on with that.
Yeah.
I love garlic, by the way. I eat it raw because it's
Number one, garlic is bring out the flavor.
Yeah, so we'll get on with that. We've got some raw king prawns here. And then what we're gonna do with these, Mum?
We're going to devein it.
Yeah, so these have been shelled. And these are actually prepped, so they don't actually have a vein in most of the time, but sometimes they do. It's just good practice, even if you get ready to eat prawns like these are advertised as, just to check, because sometimes, like a little bit there, you will get a bit of a vein. I think this time we're lucky and haven't got...
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah.
Yes,
There we go.
they did not let us down.
Not this time.
No.
Now, takeaways are using a different kind of prawn that you'll be using at home. It's not species, it's just the prep we would use in a takeaway. What?
The way that it has been prepped.
I just said that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mum. We buy these in like large blocks and they're frozen and they're pre-velveted. So they haven't had like a marinade or flavoring, but they're velveted using a alkaline substance, usually a form of bicarb, and then that's frozen in that water. So when they go to cook them, they're not overcooked or go tough. But today we're going to be velveting these for you because at home you're going to be getting the normal prawns that haven't been pre-velveted. So we're going to marinate these and velvet them at the same time. So to this, we're going to add just a pinch of salt.
MSG. Potato starch.
And that just helps the
Seal the moisture in.
Yeah.
Garlic powder.
Just a touch. Bicarb. This is the velveting agent that helps keep the meat tender. Dark soy. Sorry, light soy. Just mix this up.
And keep it to one side for later use.
Mm-hmm. So we've got poached chicken here. As you guys have probably known before, most takeaways aren't going to be velveting their chicken. So we haven't done that today. We're just using this, which they're normally doing is buying in pre-steamed chicken and then cutting up and using it as we would be using this today. But you can't get that normally from a supermarket. So we have a video on teaching you how to poach this chicken. So it's pretty much the same as what the takeaways will be using.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, the closest approximation you can get at home without actually having to go to the wholesaler. So we've got some beef here. We're actually using a medallion steak, but takeaways are going to be using top side. And we are going to velvet this today because takeaways are always velveting their beef without a doubt. Without a doubt? Does that make sense, Matt?
Yeah, that's right, without a doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in goes some salt.
Salt, MSG, soda bicarbonate.
Soda.
Soda bicarb.
So wait, bicarbonate of soda.
Bicarbonate or soda?
Yeah, again, velveting agent. And if you're using the right amount, you don't need to wash it off. If it tastes fishy, you've used too much. I can't remember what I was saying before because the camera went funny, so we shut it off, but we've got garlic powder now.
Some light soil?
No.
Oh no. Oh no, it's dark soil.
Yeah, picked up the wrong one,
Yeah.
dark soy.
Some oil.
Just a touch. Then we're going to mix this together. And when velveting, you just need it to sit for 20 minutes in the fridge, and then you're good to go. You can go straight away, but the flavors aren't as good because the bicarb only takes about 3 to 4 minutes to work properly. Was I talking about velveted chicken? I think I might have been. I don't know.
Yeah, you have comments below. We'll get back to you.
Yeah.
If you'd like to know how to velvet the chicken, all right?
No, that's not what I was talking about. I was talking about why we don't velvet chicken in takeaways.
Oh.
Was I? I can't remember.
I can't remember. Never mind. Just comment then.
Yeah. Okay, now set this to the side. Okay, before we start cooking, if you'd like to learn how to cook like a Chinese chef at home, maybe think about picking up one of our cookbooks. These are selling out really fast in pre-order. We do not have these in stock at the moment and they're not due in till February, March this year. We are not saying that for the sake of saying it's really selling fast. Yeah, it really is. Quite literally, probably only got a quarter of the stock left that we got coming. So if you don't pre-order now, you're probably not going to be able to get another one of these or even get a chance to get a copy of each book until maybe September. It's just how long it takes for us to get books done. This is only sold on jangs.com. We're going to start off with some veg oil. We need quite a bit.
Turn on the pan would be good.
Yeah, we're going to turn it to a high heat as well. Now this bit is tricky because we're going to have to go with garlic puree and don't let it overcook. Because if you let garlic puree cook too much, it's going to burn and go really bitter.
Yeah, you do not want it.
No, you don't. What would you want instead of that?
You want it perfect.
Yeah.
So keep watching and keep learning.
Then we have a video on the garlic puree, which will be up here somewhere. I'll link it in the description as well. And when it starts to smoke, we're going to throw this in and turn it fast. Then when it starts to brown, bean sprouts. Move them around. I'm going to add salt, MSG, a pinch of white pepper, and stir this in. We're just going to put a little bit of Chinese rice wine in. Now that's done. Just going to dish this out. Now, if you're wondering where you can get the products we're using, we actually sell these on our web store, jangs.com, especially the MSG. And we've got our faces on this. So if you'd like to support the channel for all the free content, make sure you head over there.
Yeah, that's right. Just head over to jang.com to get all your cooking.
You don't need to repeat exactly what I've just said. Oh, also, there's a link in the description, which is a link tree which shows all the equipment we're using. Using the same wok, we're going to place some veg oil into this. Just quickly stir up your velveted meats again to make sure that they're definitely coated. Make sure all that lovely marinade's on there, isn't that right, Ma?
Yes, you want it on every single piece of it.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're not drunk this week then?
No.
Okay, so when this is hot, we're going to place our beef in. And you want to let this sit where it lands. This is especially important if you're using a seasoned wok and not a non-stick like we are. So when you've browned one side, that's when you can start to move it because it'll come loose. And then you just flick it back over and let it cook off. Allowing the meat to sit for a little bit, or any veg in a wok, is really important. So when your beef's done, we're going to add in some onions, chicken, the poached chicken, salt, and what, Ma?
MSG.
Add it to the ingredients and not to the base, because otherwise it will form crystals. And we're going to brown off this MSG. It won't take long, 20-30 seconds. So in go our prawns. When your prawns are nearly done, we're going to throw in some of that garlic puree again. You're going to
off the garlic.
Yeah, for about 15-20 seconds. Then it's set every 5 seconds. Then turning. You want to get rid of that raw flavour in the garlic. Just a touch of water. To this we're going to have some Chinese rice wine near the end so it doesn't evaporate off completely. A touch of salt again, because we season a little and often, not all at once. These aren't large measures, they're literally smaller than a pinch. When your prawns are definitely done, we're just going to thicken this up with potato starch slurry. Small amounts at a time, because you can add, you can't take away.
That's perfect.
Yes.
And you lay it on top of the bean sprout. Look at that.
So now it's come to the eating. I obviously hate the king prawns. Mum loves them. I'll have chicken.
Definitely pick up the prawns first.
Have some bean sprouts, even though I hate them.
It's really hot. The prawns is just superbly cooked.
Thank you.
And the bean sprout.
This is going to be sacrilege to a lot of people. But this is honestly awesome when it's dumped onto chips. Do you know what I mean? It's like steak sauce over chips.
Oh,
What's that?
it got on my hand. I could get a tissue to wipe off. You can taste the garlic. The hint of it, not too powerful.
Really, I
And
think
the
it's quite
background
powerful.
of it.
I think it's quite
Not
powerful.
In a powerful way is I
It's
don't
garlic.
mean not powerful, like sometimes you can get a bit overpowering, but this is just really subtle. But
Not vile.
Huh?
It's not subtle at all. I think you mean raw. Yeah.
That's what I mean. I didn't use my English right.
Well, no one does. I don't. Most of us just make up words. Anyway,
I love it with rice or noodle. You eat whatever you like with.
yeah, you have it with whatever you want. So that's garlic. I can't really say anything other than it's garlicky and really good. Serve it on chips or fries, whatever you want to call them. And away you go.
Happy cooking, happy eating.
Oh, what didn't you? Like, comment, and subscribe. Now you can go.
Yeah. Happy cooking, happy eating.
And also comment for what you want to see, because it really does help. We don't just say that. Also, liking really helps massively. Anyway, if you've watched this long, you're probably going to like it anyway, because you guys are absolute heroes. But no.
Yeah, you guys are number one out there.
So we will see you next week.
Yes.